She is a grade 9 student from Biowan National High School, Junior High School, and at a very young age, she participated and won numerous singing contests and beauty pageants. So, she is 2022 Buglasan champion, an artist under Viva Records, and a total performer and a vlogger.
One of the few reasons why I have always been able to do a lot of stuff and to like win a lot of competitions is because of my supportive parents. You know, as children and teenagers, we really don't think too much about being consistent with trainings, and because of them, I practice every day. Now I understand why they did that for me, and I'm very happy that they were kind of strict or they had a tight hold.
I believe 3 years old, nagsugod na kaog kanta-kanta.
Yes. I also like to listen to music. It has always been in my heart for a long time. I always believe that music is life.
Karon ani niya, unsa man imong ginakabisihan?
I am busy with practicing for tomorrow, which is talent night. I got offered to go to Manila for Singaling this February, and then I will come back here in Bayon City at March.
Singaling is under
TV5.
the national TV. May appearance si Nina Christine sa national TV. Dili gud ay mentang basta-basta.
Oo. Isip mga bayawanos, atong ipakita nga atong suporta kaninya kay not all, no, dili tanang artist, dili tanang singer nato diri sa Bayawan makatungtong sa maong stage.
So, tatak bayawanon ibay na.
Ginaunsa man nimo pag-manage ang imong time nga sa kadagan
Yes.
nimong kasikas, napakay mga schoolworks. I believe, ano po ni si Ninya, achiever sa eskwelahan.
So since I moved from my old school to my new school, which is BNHS, I had a hard time because I wasn't used to a lot of work at school, but I got the hang of it, thankfully, and fortunately, I still got good grades. I tried to study at school so that I won't have to study at home and I only have to practice. So.
Ginatiwas niya tanan niyang schoolwork sa school, magpabilin ra gyud sa school kay inig-abot niya sa balay nila. Practice na pud siya.
My teachers and my principal seem very excited for me to be able to step to that level. Actually, my advisor, Sir Jim Buteksho, was very excited. I also urged the parents to be more supportive, to push your children, sons and daughters, to be the best that they can be and to be patient on their progression.
Unsa imong ginabuhat nga kanang mag-practice ka kada adlaw?
I just want to say that I know nga kapoy pud, but again, that is for your future and it is never too bad to start young. So you just have to try your best, don't pressure yourself too much, and even in the smallest achievements, you can always be proud of yourself. For my journey, very hard to think about it because I'm always panicking about, oh, what am I gonna do in the future? And I don't want to end up somewhere in some place that I don't like. So I always try to plan.
Unsa man imong dream course?
Probably something that involves with science.
Brag mag-biology ni siya?
Yeah, if my brain capacity can handle that, sure.
Yeah.
But I also want to be a therapist. I'm very interested in the topic as of now. And maybe I used to want to be a marine biologist, you know, like to study
biology.
to study the ocean and other phenomena that happen down in the deep blue. I just think that it is very interesting. It's a very complicated topic. I get to learn new things
Your
mga
manghod.
followers.
Yes.
Yes, ako
Kiray.
si Kiray.
Yes,
So,
yes.
yeah, I love you very much and hopefully ako ang mo provide sa imong schooling pagkadago.
Oh, so touching naman.